Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Viewers, today we will see a short paragraph named as Winter Vacation. Okay, let us start. Introduction. I love winter vacation a lot. There are so many reasons behind this. The biggest reason is I find so much relief and refreshment from my boring and busy life. There is a really tight school schedule that I need to follow. That's why I don't have enough time to spend with my cousins or grandma. Winter vacation let me have some extra time and enjoy with the entire family. Here I am going to share my experience of the last vacation that I have finished a couple of weeks ago. That was amazing and unforgettable. Exam preparation. I have to prepare for my upcoming final exam. That's why I made a study routine, took a few books with me. That routine helped me complete the syllabus, and I was pretty much exceeding to follow the routine during the vacation. The whole credit goes to my mom. She was really strict about my study. Family trip. In the last vacation, our whole family went for a family trip. My uncles, cousins, aunties, or grandma came to our house. We spent 2 days together and then we leave for a family trip. Our destination was about 300 kilometers away from our house. My father booked a resort for us. We reached there with our own car and entered into the resort. The resort was amazing. The natural view that I love most. It was near a big tea estate. A few minutes walking distances there is a beautiful hilly river. The place was like a dream to me. I was really exciting. There were some amazing little family events. We stayed there for 2 days. We had a barbecue party on the final night together. The resort manages everything for us. Grandma came out with us. We drive a little away from the resort. We did a little picnic on our own. That was amazing. We took a camera, food with us. We walked into the small river and get wet. The river was very tiny, but the water was really cold and clean. Hilly rivers are full of rocks that I love most. The rocks are really beautiful and there were lot of colorful rocks. Meeting cousins. Meeting with my cousins was the most important part of the vacation. We all are students and need to stay the busy whole year. We don't get enough opportunity to meet each other. This winter vacation let us be everyone together. I think my cousins are my best friends. We love spending time together. On this vacation, when we were staying in a resort, we went for a picnic our own. That was an impressive experience for me. We all were excited. Conclusion. That vacation was really amazing that I won't forget ever in my life. Especially the family trip was the most interesting part of the vacation. Our entire family never enjoyed that much together ever. I wish to spend every vacation like this. If you think it's useful, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.